Craftworks is a casual dining restaurant group. We have about 140 stores across the U.S. and we operate multiple brands. We are the largest brewery restaurant group in the country. We produce beer in over 50% of our restaurants. Our facilities range in size from 3,000 square feet to 10,000 square feet. We have ground-up constructions. We have gone in and done retrofits. We've been in old warehouse buildings. Our construction materials are everything from concrete and glass to wood and carpet and stainless steel. The possibilities of wireless in the restaurants are limitless. We have gaming applications, jukebox applications. We have the wireless wine menu that we're using right now. There are host management systems that require wireless access. There are mobile payment applications that require wireless access. Wireless enables us to serve our guests in a number of ways, and we want our wireless network to be able to meet their needs. Everything from using iPads, laptops, to getting online and doing their fantasy football leagues. We host a lot of business meetings in our restaurants. We have informal business lunches up to conventions. You know, all of those users require high-speed internet access. They require a reliable network. We definitely have an advantage over competitors who aren't offering wireless to their guests. I think at this point, wireless is a need to have. It's not a nice to have. You don't want somebody to not come to your establishment because you're not offering them the same thing as the guy down the road. And the more time that our guests spend in our restaurants, the more they buy, and that's a benefit for us. Reliability is key. The last thing you want to do is frustrate the guests who are trying to get on and send that important email. And you know, the first time that they're unable to do that might be the last time that they come to your restaurant. The reliability of the network is something that will build guest loyalty over time. When they come in and they're able to turn on their device and they know that that access point is there and they're able to get online, and that is a big selling point. We faced a lot of problems in our existing network. We had unreliable service from our vendors. We had equipment that would fail. We were using off-the-shelf Linksys equipment that was just not up to the enterprise task. Craftworks employs a small IT shop, and we have to support all of our 140 locations. So we don't have people on site in every restaurant who are able to assist with connectivity issues. With limited resources to throw at any deployment, we need a solution that's going to be quick to install, easy to manage, centrally managed, and something that we can get out to the field relatively quickly. But we want to do it the right way. We want to do it safe and secure. When we were investigating wireless vendors, we had a number of priorities. We needed to make sure that we had our PCI security in mind. We were looking for a low-cost, reliable vendor that could give us good coverage, that could avoid interference with the microwaves and other facilities issues that we have in our restaurants. And we were also looking for somebody who would give us an ease of management across the enterprise. After examining the options, Craftworks chose to go with Ruckus for our wireless solutions. We're using the dual band 11N equipment with a controller in each location, and we're using either one or two access points depending on the size of the location to give us the coverage, reliability, and interference mitigation that we needed. With the numbers of wireless devices that are now able to access the internet, the number of devices connecting to our network at any given time has increased dramatically. The reliability of the equipment that we've installed has been second to none. There are advantages to dealing with a smaller company in the technology space. There's more innovation in smaller companies. There's a cost benefit to dealing with a smaller company. There is a value proposition. And with equipment that speaks for itself in reliability and feature set, you get what you pay for.